Hey there, juice enthusiasts! Whether you're a longtime juice lover or just starting your journey into the world of fresh homemade juices, you're in the right place. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into something truly delicious. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of America's favorite fruit juices right at home. This recipe is not only simple, but also incredibly rewarding. It's quick, it's tasty, and it's packed with all the goodness you need. Imagine starting your day with a glass of this refreshing juice, or enjoying it as a midday pick-me-up. Let's jump right into it. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of this juice is in its simplicity and the freshness of the ingredients. You'll need 1 red apple with the core removed, 1 orange that's been peeled, 4 to 5 fresh strawberries, half a lemon juiced, and either some ice or water for blending. Let's start with the apple. Apples are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients like fiber and vitamin C. Make sure to remove the core and slice it up. Next, we have the orange. Oranges add a wonderful citrusy flavor and are a great source of vitamin C. Peel it and separate it into chunks. Then, we have strawberries. These little berries are bursting with antioxidants and add a lovely sweetness to the juice. Use 4 to 5 fresh strawberries. And don't forget the lemon. Just half a lemon will do. It adds a nice tangy kick and is also rich in vitamin C. Finally, you'll need some ice or water. This helps with the blending process and gives the juice a nice, cool temperature. If you prefer a thicker juice, go with ice. For a lighter consistency, use water. And if you like it a bit sweeter, you can add a touch of honey or maple syrup. Both options are natural sweeteners and add a delightful flavor to the juice. All right, wash and prep your fruits because we're all about using the freshest and healthiest ingredients here. Clean fruits ensure that your juice is as pure and delicious as possible. Now let's move on to the fun part. Blending. This is where all the magic happens. Add your apple slices, orange chunks, strawberries, lemon juice, and either water or ice into the blender. Ready? This is where the flavors start to meld together. Blend everything for about 30 to 45 seconds until it's nice and smooth. You'll see the vibrant colors mix into a beautiful, appetizing juice. If you're not a fan of pulp, feel free to strain your juice. This step is optional, but can make the juice smoother and more enjoyable for some. And now, the moment of satisfaction, pouring it into a clear glass. Watching the juice flow into the glass is so satisfying, and it looks absolutely stunning. Time to taste and serve. This is the best part, enjoying the fruits of your labor, quite literally. For that extra flair, garnish your juice with a fruit slice or a sprig of mint. It not only looks beautiful, but also adds a hint of extra flavor. Now take a sip. It's naturally sweet, a little tangy, and incredibly refreshing. The perfect balance of flavors. This is exactly why it's one of the most popular juices in the USA. It's a crowd pleaser and perfect for any occasion. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and comment your favorite fruit combo below. I love hearing your creative ideas and trying out new combinations. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun, fast, and flavorful juice and coffee videos every week. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. And hit that bell so you never miss a sip. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep juicing and stay healthy.